Here is how to crack your own neck. Now, I'm an osteopath, I crack necks all day, every day, but ultimately I'm not going to teach you how to crack a neck. I'm going to teach you how to free up the joint and articulate the area, and you may get a satisfying little pop or click as we do that. So I want you to take your fingers around the back of the neck and pull through, and as you do that, turn your head away, or rather to your hand, and you're going to rotate through there. So same thing on the side, grip and pull and rotate yourself through like this. What you're doing is you're gripping the muscle and working through the muscle as you rotate your head, which stretches and works through the muscle, but it also traps the joint and you move the joint under traction. And that is why sometimes you free up a joint and it's just been moved. Other times you get a nice little click and it frees up those areas. Have a go with that.